So the locksmith truck, we got one of our guys inside. There's at least 4 of them.
In this truck or the truck in front of us?
That's
That's a chopper. Lyle with me. On me.
So chopper, van, he's over here.
What about the ice cream truck? Or is that the van?
Yes, that's the ice cream truck, locksmith. There's eyes all There's eyes all over it. Good shit, good shit. I didn't get hit. Come on, you're not gonna call it. Yeah. Good hit, good hit, good hit.
He's down, he's down.
Not going good.
Oh no, I held it down.
Oh my. Oh my. Well, wow. Oh my.
Yo, there's at least like 4 left side, Nick.
Yeah, freaking him.
Yeah, they got HPA. Yeah, watch it. He's watching this helo. Woo! I got one. This is fun. I like it. Did we clear box 10?
I don't know. I don't think so. I saw some guy running back.
Ah!
Just toss him down.
I got no extra mags.
Oh, he's still there.
Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah. Oh! Ah! Right my butt cheek.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Keep the pressure on, keep the pressure on. Ah, dude, I like
Good
you a
shit.
lot. I like you a lot.